Hello, welcome to Somebody Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today is one to do very cautiously, but it is, you can probably see that the wheel is raised here on the brush hog, the attachment currently on the tractor, and so this whole thing is just supported by a few points here by the PTO. So it's kind of floating, right? So a little bouncy, a little left to right. So it's not going to move this way, but it'll move towards the camera and away from the camera and up and down. So anyway, today's Tàijíquán tip is wear safe, but perhaps also wear fun. Practice your Tai Chi on an unstable platform. Now, we don't want it to be so unstable, uh, to the point that you're endangering anything, either somebody's property or somebody's health. So I like to practice this on the dock, but I don't live near a dock. But so whenever I can, I like to practice it. But I've certainly practiced it like on a ferry or on a subway. But just find a practice that you can learn from the instability. We're so used to practice on stable level ground or floor, and we return to that as the source of our stability when we lose our balance, whether it's push hands or just doing a single-legged movement or whatever. So it's nice to try it when the ground is not going to give me extra stability. I have to find it inside. I have to find it mentally and emotionally. So enjoy that, and thank you very much. And remember, your school would appreciate stability, so bring a friend.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.